Ruko bhai, ruko. Pause right here. So have you ever wasted half of your day overthinking or just procrastinating and then hated yourself for it? That was me today. But why did I do that? Stick around for a minute and you will definitely relate to the story. What happened? I woke up and don't even ask when because my sleep cycle is still a disaster. Post that, I had my entire morning routine, which I do. Like I did 50 push-ups, 3 sets of squats, 10 minutes of breathing exercises. I took a 10 minutes walk. Had my high protein breakfast as well. But here's the twist. As soon as I opened social media, let's say LinkedIn, boom, that's where the comparison spiral hit. I actually caught myself thinking like, bro, everyone is fucking ahead of you. You are just a failure. You have only wasted time in life. And to be very honest, that moment hit hard. Not gonna lie, really, really hard. And then in that moment, I only had two choices: either to keep suckling and waste the whole day, or actually do what this series is for, which is just to show up no matter what. I'm sharing all this because I want this series to be as raw and unfiltered as possible. And these feelings of overthinking and procrastination, these are normal. Like these are the feelings that each and every human beings get. Me being me, I just picked the second option. बिकॉज यार क्या मतलब है दिन भर खाली बैठ के सोचने से? अगर आप कोई काम कर सकते हो तो उठो, उसको करो ना. एंड जब भी मुझे इस तरीके के ख्याल आते हैं, आई ओनली गॉट टू वेज टू गेट आउट ऑफ दैट नेगेटिव जोन. फर्स्ट इज दैट आई स्टेप आउट आउटसाइड ऑफ माई हाउस एंड आई गो एंड सिट विथ नेचर. इन नेचर, लाइक अगर मैं अभी यहाँ पे जैसे जौनपुर में हूँ, गाँव में हूँ, तो हमारे यहाँ खेत बहुत सारे हैं. आई जस्ट गो देयर, सिट देयर, hear the sounds of nature and calm myself and then start over again. Second way that has always helped me out even when I'm not at home or in a corporate jungle, for example, like a city either in Delhi, Bangalore, Bombay, anywhere, I reflect on my own journey. Like I reflect like where I came from. I came from scratch and today I'm here. At least somewhere in life that I've fought hard for, track my progress, and it's not like I feel good about it, but it's just that okay, इट मेक्स मी गेट आउट ऑफ दैट नेगेटिव जोन कि भाई बहुत पीछे थे, बहुत आगे आए हैं, आगे भी बहुत सारी चीजें करनी है. एंड ये सारे ख्याल नॉर्मल है, ये सब तो चीजें आती रहेंगी. दीज आर नॉर्मल थिंग्स that will keep showing up day in and day out. You will get procrastination, you would overthink things, but it does not mean that you have to stop showing up and you should be just thinking about that. I started working again. So once I start, I work in 15-minute time blocks, then stretch them as I get in the zone. Before I know it, that hours of real work. Today it was content, outreach, job applications, and recording this video. That's day 5 of me fighting spiral, showing up anyway. And if you have got stories like this, tell me in the comments and see you tomorrow.